Hey everybody, it's game time, and today we're going to get down with another box of 17-18 Chronicles basketball. My last few boxes of this have not been all that great, but I saw this on sale and decided to give it another shot. I'm not sure when the next version of this the new version will be coming out. I know baseball is about to be released, Baseball Chronicles 18. I did have one box of this that was just kind of out of this world, absolutely crazy good, and that made me buy a few more, but I haven't. I'm just kind of chasing that good box that I had, and I have not had anything that was nearly as good as that. 3 fat packs, 15 cards per pack. I think I'll start in the middle. See who we can get. Alright, DeMar DeRozan, Avery Bradley, Rajon Rondo, Buddy Hield. There's a Jarrett Allen rookie, Paul George to 199, a Ojale autograph to 149. His not a bad card, but his autograph is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Have a Ntilikina gold standard to 99 rookie. Sweet looking card there. Todosic red to 299. Josh Jackson momentum rookie. There's a Kyle Kuzma majestic rookie. Bogdanovich, Paul Millsap, Kemba Walker, and Marcus Morris. So, decent pack. Pull these other cards up. Such a stack, and I'm so accident prone I don't want to drop them. Gallinari, Tony Parker, Dwayne Wade, Jimmy Butler, Elfrid Payton, some crazy hair, D'Angelo Russell, Ibaka, Tobias Harris. Here is a Kuzma rookie. Nurkic to 299 red parallel. Filler autograph of Josh Hart out of 25. This is a pretty decent card. He's having a pretty good summer, so this is not bad at all. Ivan Robb to 199 rookie. That is a momentum. John Collins limited rookie card. Cedi Osman Panini, and a Jarrett Allen Pinnacle rookie. So again, another solid pack. Alright, let's check out this last one. Should have another hit. Is it 1 or 2? I can't remember now how many are supposed to come out of here. Alright, Damari Carroll, Jordan Clarkson, LeBron, Malcolm Brogdon, Kawhi Leonard, Embiid, Towns, Middleton, Derek White rookie card, Embiid to 299. We have a jersey of LaMarcus Aldridge. Looks like a sweater, but let's see. It is game worn, so that's good. Bogdanovich to 249. Jordan Bell rookie to, what is this? 149. Markkanen rookie, and Markkanen again. So this, I don't know, this box is confused. I mean, it's pretty good, it's decent, but there wasn't a single Tatum. There was no Markelle Fultz, no Dennis Smith Jr., no, who else am I missing? Like, there was like zero of, you know, the big guns. So that, in that aspect, it's really disappointing, but I was okay with the 2 autographs. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to think. Do I like this or do I not? Overall, I say no. It's kind of crazy that I didn't get a single rookie card of any of those guys, and I'm missing somebody else. Oh, Donovan Mitchell. Not a single Donovan Mitchell. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one a oh well, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back with my next video soon.